Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic horizontal that I use for journaling. And I really appreciate your comments, guys, from the last week or so, or the last video, saying that you appreciated seeing that my journal isn't fully filled in. I am not perfect. I mean, it's Friday, so I haven't filled in it, but I've done better this week. So the week before, I did manage to catch up, but still had like 2 days missing. So, and then the week before is 3 days missing. So I really appreciate you guys actually being like, yeah, that happens to us too. So thank you for that. And I'm also seeing a lot of comments for people using the horizontal as a journal. So I love that. All right, but this week I will be going ahead to and using Modern Year, one of my newest sticker books. And I'm also going to be using some florals from the Pressed Florals Bloom Box. All right, let's get started. All right, so I have this page left and I also have this page left. So I'm hoping to be able to use all of them before I'm done. But we'll see. Now I'm just debating if I am going to put boxes on each day, what those boxes are going to look like, first of all. Or if I shouldn't. Here we go. Positive, do it this week. There's these, which would work really well as well. Okay. Just looking at what would work. Ooh, and there's those too. Okay, so I've got a few different options about how I can make this work. There's those, and then there's these, and then, okay. What I'm thinking with the foil though is that foil is foil is pretty, but very hard to photograph. And I'm really liking the hexagons, but there's only 6. So I will have to use some of these boxes. Okay, let's start with this box here. And I'm wondering if, no, this washi normally works for every spread, but it doesn't with this color scheme, unfortunately. Because I think, because it is a black color scheme now, just a regular, I don't have, like, I wish I had the washi that so many other people have, is like just the regular, it looks like this, whoops, it looks like this washi, so I don't have that, unfortunately, but that's okay. Okay, so enough chit chat about that. Let's put down a floral, and then what I'm going to do is to make this work out a little better. Just cut off the edge a little bit. And so that means that the box is going to be able to see the box from this side. And I almost feel like I'm going to put these on every part of the page. And I'm going to put this one upside down. And put this here. But I don't want that to be the only floral there. I'm going to add a big one here. Yes, that's Lucy, you guys can hear in the background. She's currently taking a nap as I film. Oh, see, and if I do that, then I just cover the floral altogether. Maybe I'll just leave that as a teeny one. Or I could use this one. Oh, I don't mind covering up just the one. There we go. Well, you want to go up there. Just had to put Lucy up on my chair. Okay, then let's do a gray. Now, yes, let's do it for all of them. Now it is going to look, for a lot of people, it's just going to look very samey. And that's okay. I don't mind that. This is my journal. And then let's put a black one. So the process for this, for me, for my journal, is very simple. I know pretty well what I want it to look like, so it makes the process of putting stickers down much easier for me. This sticker, I don't want it to land right where the holes of the discs are. And then let's pick 3 more to go on this side. So this one, I find that the balance works better if it's kind of mirroring. Maybe that's just me. I don't know if everybody feels that way, but that is what works for me. Then one more box. Perfect. Then I'll go in and add the florals. So I say florals, they're mostly leaves. This one was left over from the previous spread with my mini vertical. But then I made the mistake of not putting it down directly where I should have. Oops. Okay, that's one sticker down. And actually the great thing about having moved to a classic horizontal is that I can use these really big stickers. Because when I was in my mini horizontal, this was one of those times where I felt like I really couldn't use big stickers. Because if I used big stickers in my mini, there went all the writing space. So this is one of the few times where I feel like I've really benefited by moving into a classic size. So what I'm going to do is find a really good quote to go across the bottom. And I feel like the gratitude quote works well. Just one big gratitude there. I wonder if there's anything else that I could add. I don't know, maybe just keep it very simple. Put the floral there. I might actually just do that, just keep it very simple. Another sticker sheet done. And if you guys know my process, I write the name of the stickers. So this was from the Pressed Florals bloom box. And then I write the date that I have used it. And I did a count before, and I think I almost have 30 sheets that I've used just since, I think, maybe December. All right, so now I don't think that's done yet because I feel like I need to add little quotes, like, you know, maybe something like "so very busy." Here we go, this one works, day of vacay, because I do have a holiday on Monday. Then I don't want it to look the same for each and every one, so I'm going to put loving here. And maybe just something simple like happiness there. Then it's that rule of 3, right? What's it, the who was it that said it's like the Hobonichi sequence, what a lot of architects work with. And one here, I don't know, it works. I don't know what it is, but it works. I need one last sticker, and then I am all done. This was a very, out of office, a very busy day of vacay. Is there another page with those? Because I feel like I used, so strange. Here, look at this, make today great. Perfect, I love that. All right, it feels very simple, but once it's all written in, I think it's gonna look gorgeous, especially with all the black pen that I use. All right, very simple plan with me, guys. That is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.